Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for investors: VOO versus VTSAX. These are two of Vanguard's most popular funds, and in 2025, choosing the right one could make a big difference in your portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this comparison will help you decide which fits your goals best. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are these funds? VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which means it's packed with 500 of the largest US companies, like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. It's an exchange-traded fund, so you can buy and sell shares throughout the day, making it super liquid. On the flip side, VTSAX is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund Admiral shares. This one covers the entire US stock market, including small, mid, and large cap stocks. Think over 4,000 companies. It's a mutual fund, which means trades happen once a day at the end of trading. Now, let's compare the key differences. Expense ratios are a big one. VOO has a rock-bottom fee of about 0.03%, while VTSAX is slightly higher at 0.04%. That's pennies on the dollar, but it adds up over time. In terms of diversification, VTSAX edges out VOO because it includes more stocks, reducing risk from any single sector downturn. However, VOO is simpler and might appeal to those who want exposure just to the biggest players. Pros of VOO include its ease of trading and lower volatility since it's tied to established giants. Cons? It's less diversified, so if the S&P 500 tanks, you're along for the ride. For VTSAX, the pros are broader market coverage and potential for higher long-term growth from smaller companies. The downside is that it's not as liquid, and you might pay a bit more in taxes if you're actively trading. So, which should you pick? If you're looking for a straightforward, low-cost way to invest in blue-chip stocks and prefer ETFs, go with VOO. But if you want maximum diversification and a buy-and-hold strategy, VTSAX is your winner. Remember, this depends on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and overall portfolio. Always consult a financial advisor before making moves. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investment tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.